You sweet boy, you got the hiccups? Say, this is my first time with the hiccups outside my mommy's belly. Sweet baby. You tired of hiccuping yet? We can't see you. Get your hands out your face, baby.